Okay, your essential question. What is the difference between metals, nonmetals, and metalloids? We've spent a lot of time working on the periodic table, and now let's start classifying them into some bigger groups instead of just their families. Here we go. Where are the metals and nonmetals on the periodic table? We're gonna find out. You don't need to write this, by the way. What are the properties of metals? And what are the properties of nonmetals? And what in the world are metalloids? Okay, here you go. You should probably, I'm thinking, write these here. Boom. And move that. Metals are on the left side, guys. So look at all these in, oh my goodness, all these, wow. And then you have just a few nonmetals compared to the metals. But we've talked about this staircase that we have here that's going down that divides them. And there you're going to find the awesome metalloids. Okay, they're along the staircase. And make sure that you write down except aluminum, because that one is not. But just an easy way to remember. Now, when we're looking at a metal, you need to memorize this. You need to know this. Metals are solid at room temperature, with the exception of mercury, Hg. Okay? They're usually silvery gray, with the exception of gold and, what is that? Cu, copper. Good. All right, and then they are good conductors of electricity. They have metallic luster, shiny. They are malleable. That means they can be hammered flat. Think of aluminum foil. And they're also ductile. I love that. It reminds me of duct tape. But ductile means it can be rolled into wire, just like you see here. Okay? Now, they tend to lose electrons. Properties of nonmetals. Here we go. I bet you never knew what bromine looks like. It's in liquid form right there. Okay, so physical properties. It can be gas, solid, or liquid at room temperature. They come in all colors. There's no metallic luster. I don't see hardly any shininess on any of these elements. Okay, they're poor conductors of electricity. They're brittle. They kind of think of peanut brittle. And sometimes they'll have odors or pungent. That means they smell strong. And they will gain electrons. Should we write all that? And moving to metalloids. Yay! Okay, so let's make sure you know that they are the ones that are along the staircase, what separates the metals and the nonmetals, except you forget about this guy right here, aluminum. No, that's definitely a metal. We know that. Okay, but boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, all those, go ahead and write those down. We need to know that they are metalloids because they have characteristics of both metals and nonmetals. Okay.